Hello and welcome to this flip learning task on the topic of modern manufacturing technology for GCSE Design Technology, Production Techniques and Systems Unit. So the concept here is automation of the manufacturing process. There's different types of automation. There's industrial automation, where the reduction of human labour in manufacturing processes as part of factory automation efforts, usually to the point where human workers simply provide oversight at a control panel or other human interfaces. Then there's robotic process automation, where they're using software robots to perform repetitive tasks previously done by humans. Then there's artificial intelligence, which are rules-based software that perform tasks typically accomplished with human intervention. And then, of course, in modern manufacturing, we have the use of computer-aided design, CAD for short, and computer-aided manufacturing, CAM for short. Now remember, you can pause this video here to recap if you need to, and please take some time to look at the information in the blue box where you'll see some synonyms, other words that can be used in place of the word automation, and a description of what automation actually is. Next, what we'd like you to do is have a look at the list below and the diagram of our factory. You see, workflow is essential to health, safety and efficiency. A production line must flow logically from one stage to the next. Automation and new technologies may require change to the production flow. So use the new warehouse plan below to put the stages in order and suggest where each stage should appear in the plan. You can see the list here. We have external parts assembly, lacquering, raw materials received, quality control, metal sheet bending, shipping, painting, interior parts assembly. So this might be a typical manufacturing company. You need to decide what step goes first. You see the little red arrow at the bottom left? What would be the first thing that happens at the factory? And follow through the arrows to the end, where the product then gets sent out to the customers. Do remember, you can pause the video here so that you have time to do that. So your flip learning task is to investigate examples of modern manufacturing technology. You have some examples on the right hand side in the blue box that you can look at. There's some great YouTube videos where you can learn a lot more. We want you to make a presentation in either PowerPoint or Google Slides to show an introduction to this topic, modern manufacturing technology, and especially the use of CAD and CAM in the industry. In your investigation, you should include a list of the advantages that automating the manufacturing process brings to companies. One example is the automotive industry, and they make use of robotics in production line manufacturing. Describe 2 factors that make the production of cars suitable for automated assembly line manufacture. And lastly, research 2 types of computer-aided manufacturing machinery. Include their name, a description of what it does, and a photo to support your research. Remember to pause this video to recap if you need to, and take the time necessary to produce this task. We wish you the best of luck as you work on this topic, and we look forward to seeing your final outcomes, your presentation, when you're back in the classroom.